all, welcome to Gadiki. So today we are at the media drive of all new Suzuki E-Access. This color is matte black with the red color. It's a combination of two colors. There are actually three colors offered in the new Suzuki Access, and this is the one. And there are two more colors, green and white. Uh, Today we are going to have a closer look at how the new E-Access looks like. So this is how the side profile looks like. So as you can see, it's a dual tone color combination, the one with the matte black, and this is the red combination. uh, so looking at the tail section, this is how it looks. You have the LED tail lamps here, and there is a stop light here, and you can clearly see the E-Access badge here. Talking about the alloy wheels, it's a 12-inch alloy wheel. These tires are tubeless tires. Uh, Looks decent. It does not have very similarity between the earlier petrol version of Access. There are, of course, a big change from the petrol Suzuki Access to the electric Access. So this is the front part. You can see the position lights here. These are LED powered, and the headlight, which is LED powered. So, and you can also see the indicators, which are LED powered. Suzuki claims all this uses the very power efficient systems. So that's how the scooter looks like. So talking about the other features, you have TFT display here, 4.2 inch TFT display, and this is how it looks. And there is a mode section. You can choose between different modes here. So the mode button is here. Essentially there are three riding modes which are on offer. One is eco mode, the other two are like ride A and ride B. In eco mode you can go up to a maximum speed of around 55, and in the ride A, ride B you can achieve up to about 71 km per hour. The only difference between the ride A and ride B is regeneration. In ride A, the regeneration is very active, meaning when you de-accelerate, the so regeneration happens to the battery, and so ride B in ride B the regeneration is set to little bit low. So that's the main difference between ride A and ride B. Talking about the suspension, it's very decent. Like Suzuki claims they have tested in a very challenging conditions, like very different conditions. So when I tested the bike on track, when I came across multiple humps and zigzag conditions, the bike performed pretty good. In the front you have telescopic suspension, and at the rear you get a coil spring suspension here. It's nicely tuned. And talking about the riding position, uh, it's you get a very wide foot board, and there is also a lot of space here to keep your feet. And the seat height is about 765 mm. The ground clearance is 160 mm. That's about it. Regarding the drive, here you get a belt drive. Like it's it's covered by a aluminum casing here. So Suzuki is offering 7-year warranty or 70,000 kilometer on the belt drive system. So that's a huge thing. And the battery which Suzuki is using here is LFP battery. They say it is better than the other NMC batteries, NCM batteries. So you also get a storage space here. I can open it and show to you. It's a 17-liter storage space. So I think Suzuki E-Access has an upper hand over Activa E and other bikes because it is, even with a fixed battery setup, the scooter is able to provide you the space. So that adds up to the practicality. It's a decent scooter. Talking about the motor and battery performance, like the motor is like it can deliver 4.1 kilowatt hour of power, and the torque figures are like 15 newton meters. So the battery capacity is 3.01 kilowatt hour. Uh, so so I was able to achieve a top speed up to around 60 because of the track conditions. Uh, so when we get to drive in the real world condition, maybe I will be able to provide the actual number. Uh, E-Access is offering two types of charging. One is AC charging. AC charging is something which you charge at home. Uh, so it takes about 6 hours 20 odd minutes to charge the scooter for 0 to 100%. And if you need 80%, 0 to 80%, 4 hours 30 minutes is something which you have to spend to charge the scooter at the home. So there is also, this scooter also supports DC charging, and the DC charging is like you can charge 0 to 80% in 1 hour 12 minutes and 0 to 100% in 2 hour 12 minutes. So it's okay, like it's pretty good for the DC setup. So Suzuki says that it's opening new network, DC charging network across the country in all their showrooms to start with. So that's about the charging part. Talk about the brakes. The E-Access is equipped with disc brake in the front, 190 mm disc brake setup, and at the rear you have a drum brake setup, which is 130 mm. So, and you can also see this aluminum foot peg which offered here, which is quite useful for the pillions rider. There is also a grab rail here. It's quite sturdy. Talking about the seats, it's a pretty wide, and also the seat length is really high, like it's about 840 or 850 mm. It's quite bigger, so it could be a very good family scooter indeed. It could give a very tough competition to the likes of TVS iQube and Ather Rista. So that's it about the all new Suzuki Access, and I think we'll be able to put a more detailed review when we have the scooter provided to us in real conditions. So the verdict is it's a very quite decent scooter, and it's pretty well tested. Uh, Suzuki claims it is tested as like Hayabusa is tested. So that's it for now. Let's catch in another such review. Chetan Timapa signing off from Gadiki.